Mitino ya bara gicigo-ini kia rugongo rwa bururi ni cionekete guikuruka na njira nene kumana na mitaratara igathikitwo ya kung'ethanira no ari ni hamwe na kugathikwo kwa kamera cia thiri barabara-ini.
It was given that we had over 4,000 last year. I may not cite the exact figures, but overall it was a decrease from the previous year. So we saw some decrease in the numbers. Of course, this is because of the many activities that the government through Ntsa is doing, and one close by here is the cameras.
Ni kuringana na ruhonge rwa kuhurana na mitino bara-ini Ntsa kuria rugite ati ikinya riri ni riteithitie kuhurana na mitino bara-ini no indi mitino ino ikioneka guthie na mbere kugumira athii a maguru.
We all know that the beginning of this year up to now, the numbers are going up. Yesterday we had an accident close by here. It's of great concern to us, and that only helps to push us further to see what we can do to bring them down.
Makiaria hindi ya uhinguri wa giceceni kia guteithĩrĩria gumirwo wa mathina maumanaga na mitino ya bara mwena wa Naivasha kiria gitabarĩirio ni ruhonge rwa St John's Ambulance. Munene wa Ntsa mwena uyu Andrew Kiprangat augite matura maya ma rugongo rwa bururi nimo makoretwo magitongoria hari kwandikithia mitino ya bara.
It's true, pedestrians numbers are increasing, and I mean, when you look at those statistics, it's the pedestrian numbers, meaning then that the people out there are the most affected.
Kuringana na riboti cia ndari cia Ntsa, andu 649 nio makuite kuma mwaka uyu wambiriirie, 252 mari athii a maguru. Ni hindi ya mihang'o ino kuria ndagitari Bob Agwata uria ni afitha kuma ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri augite ati mingi ya mitino ino yumanaga na gutwara ngari na thibidi ngananie, urebi na ahuthiri a bara undu umwe na wagi wa kihariro.
You know, this is a big corridor. Apart from the Mai road, this is the main road that goes to the western area, and also not western area all the way to Uganda, and not only Uganda, all the way to the Congo. So given the amount of vehicles that travel here, it's likely that because of that capacity, and our road is not very big, you can see it's not a two lane.
No na kuri oguo Kiprangat ni augite ni megukorwo makiruguria campaign ya bururi wothe ya guthomithia muingi iguru rigie mitino ya bara.
Making in the drafting of this action plan, it was important to bring on board everybody and elevate the stature of that particular document to national, so that we can be able to rally everybody, including the partners we are seeing today, the Ministry of Health, St John's and many others, the road agencies. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, jitagwo Mwangi wa Njuguna.